It is officially your lucky day because I'm going to show you 6 easy ways to take your style from average to savage. Gentlemen, today I'm going to show you 6 easy ways to upgrade your style and look. And then I'm going to show you a few of my favorite outfits that you can try next time you want to look like a sexy, stylish ninja. The first way to take your style from average to savage is ditch the bright patterns and instead go dark and solid. Gentlemen, one of the easiest, did that work? I don't think it did, but you get the idea. See, I'm trying to go super high-end special effects for you. Unfortunately, I'm a low-end kind of dude, but something you can do to look more high-end is ditch the bright, bold patterned shirts and go with simple, solid, dark colors. Second easy way to take your style from average to savage is learn the partial tuck. Partial tuck, when executed properly, looks amazing. When executed wrong, it looks sort of whack. Most guys do the partial tuck wrong. What they do is basically find the center of their belt buckle and just tuck their shirt kind of deep in and do that, right? It looks like you did it on purpose. And the point of the partial tuck is to look casually like you sort of accidentally did it, not on purpose. Instead, what you're going to do is aim for that first belt loop on either side. You're going to go up, not too deep, just a little bit, enough just so it bites, right? And then you're going to allow the shirt to hang just like that. It's casual, cool, and playful, and allows you to show off your sexy ass Anson belt, which is number 3. The Anson belt is, in my opinion, the greatest belt in the history of belts. Why? Because, as you see, there are no holes. It's just smooth sexiness because of that little track. Anson belts are one of the things that you can buy that will take your style to the next level. The reason is because they are the sexiest, the coolest belts in the history of belts. One of the beautiful things, it doesn't have any holes. Like we said, it's got this crazy, sexy track system. You put on the belt, ready? Check it out. It locks into place. Then when you want to release it, boom, there's a little button, a little trigger underneath, bang. Look how badass these belts are, right? You got the black canvas, you've got a dark gray, you've got green, you've got light gray, but they've got a lot more. They've got fun, funky colors, guys. There's a link down below to AnsonBelt.com. Go and check it out. The other really cool thing is their buckles. I recently got this black buckle, the matte black on this black canvas, right? This belt has become like my go-to. But the really cool thing about Anson belt, you can build a box set where you can pick 2 buckles and 3 straps, or 3 buckles, 2 straps, and then the buckles and the straps are interchangeable. So all you got to do, flip that, and then I can attach the buckle, and look at that, right? Light gray, black. But have you ever seen a cooler ass belt than that? The answer is abso-freaking-lutely not, Alpha. But they also have leather, they got black, they got brown, they've got casual, they've got thick, they've got thin, and their buckles are ridiculous, right? You can pick, boom, matte black, silver, gunmetal, and another really cool one that I've been loving recently. It's this like antique brass, which just looks amazing with like browns and even black. Guys, if you have not checked out Anson belt, please do yourself a favor. There's a link down below, and with the holiday season coming up, it is definitely a gift that your dad, your weird Uncle Barry, even Brian would love one. When all your boys are rocking worn out, nasty ass belts like that, you're like, bang, Anson. Sexy. The fourth way to take your style from average to savage is size down. Size down when you are shopping for jackets or outerwear this season. The whole premise behind this is that you're looking for the best fit possible. A lot of guys get in the mindset that, oh, I'm a medium, and so they just gravitate and go and buy the medium jacket. The truth is that a lot of times the smaller size is going to fit a little bit better because outerwear is designed to go over top of heavier clothing like sweaters. It feels snug, like a stylish, tight hug, it's right. If you feel like a sausage, it's wrong, and then size back up. The fifth way to take your style from average to savage is layer. Layer. Gentlemen, don't be afraid to layer and experiment. Those lightweight jackets that you wore in the fall, you can still wear them in the winter, but you gotta get creative. And a great way to take your style to the next level is layer with your favorite zip-up hoodie, your hoodie, or even your vests. The sixth way to take your style from average to savage is get your sexy ass in some stretch slim fit denim. When I'd put on like regular slim fit denim that doesn't have any stretch in it, it was like not all that comfortable, and it's also a little bit thicker and not as breathable. The stretch denim I absolutely love. The downside to stretch denim, it does wear out faster, but you know, you're not supposed to wash your denim jeans like all that much. I would say once a month if you're not that stinky. But the truth is that stretch denim is a game changer. Now, let's see some outfits. Look is this. It's very casual, but what I love about it is the fact that we're combining the brown suede, the fabric, with the dark jeans, the Anson belt, a green, partially tucked, the sexy Henley, and then threw on the army green vest. This outfit, in my opinion, is a perfect casual look. It's nothing too like over the top. Every one of you would look amazing in it, and it's just you combining fun, functional pieces together in one look. Here's another example of one of my go-to favorite outfits that makes me feel like a sexy, stylish ninja. I got my suede chuckas on, I've got my distressed jeans, I've got my Anson camo, partially tucked, my white thermal Henley, and then if I want to take it to the next level, I could always throw on a sweet ass leather jacket. If you rock this, if you would rock this outfit, give this video a big thumbs up. And while we're at it, why don't we just give a thumbs up even if you wouldn't rock this outfit because you think I'm cool. Gentlemen, even if you think I suck, give it one of these. Bad boy in all black. I'm not really a bad boy. I'm a good boy with a solid 5-year plan, but I am rocking black Chelsea boots, gray jeans, my all black, blacked out Anson, which I personally think is dynamite, and the simple pullover that I got from the Gap. Now, if I want to take this like next level, look out, ladies. How you doing? Exactly. I'm doing great. I hope you guys are doing well, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it one of these like before I asked, then you hopefully did, maybe didn't. Gentlemen, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps you take your style from average to savage.